Hi. Hello, Simon. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emma. You're right. I'm Simon. I'm in IT. I'm originally from Ruislip, which is sort of west London. I've been in IT for 25 years. Well, we sort of looked around at different things. Heat pump. I'd seen a lot on the news about heat pumps. The grant was sort of just a really useful thing to have. Getting the grant was quite a big thing. We'd been to I don't know what you call it, like a trade show, and there was quite a few people there. So we got a couple of numbers from there and online, and we heard back from about 4, but only 2 people sent somebody around to actually have a look. And Samso, Dan came round. He seemed really quite knowledgeable, but he did a proper look round, and he formatted a proper heat loss, so you could have some confidence that it was going to be correct. And also it showed a bit of professional, and he created a plan that made sense. We had to go through a few iterations because we're the building work. Recommend Samso. I definitely would recommend them to investigate if they were looking for solar or an installation or a heat pump or anything along those lines. The work that's been done is good quality, really good quality. The workmen were really nice. The engineers were really helpful and done a good job. So
Thank you very much.
no, that's all right. Yeah, definitely want to get solar. The budget's really tight. And we've got a lot of work to do on the house, but hopefully once the work's done we'll have some money left over, and that's probably going to be the first thing we get added, be the solar and a battery. Then we can run it a lot cheaper.